Okay, guys, let's go through a little review over arithmetic sequences. Remember, if it's arithmetic, that means you're going to add the same number over and over again. So they want us to look through these sequences and see which ones are going to be arithmetic and which ones aren't. So we kind of need to look at what happens from term to term. So if I look at A, that would be adding a -4 to go from 40 to 36. To go from 36 to 32, it would be the same thing. So this one is going to be, yes, it's arithmetic, and its common difference is -4. Now if I look at B, this goes up by 1, then by 2, then by 3. So it's not the same number every time. So it's no for arithmetic. For B. On C, it goes down by 2, goes down by 4, so this one is no, that one doesn't work. On the last one, I would add 5 to get from 8 to 13, and then 13 to 18 is the same thing. So it would be yes, and your difference is 5. Okay, you have a bunch of examples from today, so be sure to look over those in your notebook. Okay, one of the other big questions was to find the common difference. So you need to look at how it's changing from spot to spot. So to go from 13 to 13.3, I'm going to add 0.3. To go from 13.3 to 13.6, I add another 0.3. So it definitely is arithmetic, and it's going to have a difference of 0.3. Okay, here's the last one. The last one that was kind of the big idea was determining each spot. So if I have a sub 1, remember that's the first term. So our first term is going to be -10. For a sub 3, that's going to be the third term. So the third term in our sequence is going to be 4. Now to find a sub 5, if I look, first term, second, third, fourth. If I wanted the fifth, that's still missing, so I'm going to have to think about how that works. So if I take a look at the pattern of the sequence first, to go from -10 to -3, they would have added 7. To get from -3 to +4, we would have added 7. To get from 4 to 11, I would have added 7. So if I want to figure out the fifth term, I'm going to have to add one more 7 to get that. And that would be 18.